So guys, today we are cleaning the 2012 Dodge Caravan. It's quite same for Chrysler as well, same models. We are cleaning the throttle body actuator. So the problem is it's cranking but not start. Battery is good, all fuels are good, electrical are already checked and everything is fine. So the only doubt we are coming up to is a throttle body. So we already opened this housing. It's a single one screwdriver you need to open it, and then there is a tricky part for this nut, or you can say clip, is over here. It's not easy to go in and go out, so it's really hard task to do. If you are auto mechanic, you should have some tools to pull it out, but we have little hard time to do so. Not really hard, but still low bit of effort. I'll show you. It's right here. So after this, there is two clips back there. Just pull it up and it's gonna come out. I'll show you the next part later on, the cleaning process and how dirty it is.
$2,000 later.
Assalamu alaikum. Today we are cleaning the throttle body control for 2012 Dodge Caravan 3.6L. So here you go. We are opening. I'll guide you the rest of the process. And look at in there. We are hopeful if we clean it's gonna work, otherwise it's up to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Otherwise we replace it with a new one.
Later.
So here it is after a little bit cleaning. Finger cross that it will start. Let's see. Hopefully best.
A few moments later.
So let's give it a try.